So you saw the thumbnail, you saw the title, and here you are. Well, hey, I'm Laksana, just an average person trying to be consistent. I currently have a more than 175 days straight morning push-up streak, fully documented on my Instagram. Actually, not really that big of an achievement. And I want to be the best at helping people build consistency. That's why I also try to consistently rehearse on my live stream. And hey, if you actually click on this video with the expectation that I'm gonna be giving you guys some practical guide on how to actually be consistent at doing positive things, well, you've come to the right place. There won't be much editing applied to this video, but I hope you are going to be one of the serious ones that stick till the end of this video. And hey, this is May 6th, 2025, and this is gonna be day 302 of consistently helping people build consistency. First thing first, thank you. Thank you for actually caring about your life, because if you actually want to change your life to the better through doing positive things consistently, really do appreciate that. So how do we actually stay consistent at doing something positive? Simple. One of the most effective way is to basically make the thing that we wanted to be doing fun. Okay? So how do we actually make things fun? And why actually it's effective in the first place? Actually, the explanation is pretty simple. We humans, we love fun things. And when something is fun, we are most likely to stick to that thing on the long run. Okay? We love something fun. So how do we actually make something fun? How do we actually make our routine fun? Okay? Actually, there are two ways to make this happen. One is to basically combine fun elements into the routine itself, into the studying itself, into the practicing itself, into the routine itself. And also two is by making something, like something that's fun, or maybe like one of our favorite entertainment, only exclusively obtained right after we manage to actually do our routine. Okay, basically that's the two ways. So I'm gonna be talking about the first example first. We are going to be integrating fun elements into the routine that we wanted to be consistent at. So I got an example. So I used to be this one gamer that really obsessed with playing video games. I really love Japanese RPG games. RPG games, RPG games. Okay, it should be just, RPGs, Japanese RPGs. Okay, I really love to play Dragon Quest. Okay, basically a really great game, really fun game. And there's this one background music in Dragon Quest. And every single time I play Dragon Quest, I always listen to this background music. It's a really good background music to actually. And here's the thing, my brain already associate this background music with something fun. Okay, associate this background music as with grinding in video games. Oh yeah, I'm listening to this music. I'm actually leveling up in this video game, and it's feel fun. I want to see my character getting stronger and stronger. Okay, so the thing that I'm going to be doing here is that every single time I want to do my studying, I'm going to use the same background music. Okay, I'm going to listen to the same background music every single time I do my studying, every single time I do my script writing, and so on and so on. Well, maybe I will also do it on my exercise, but exercise needs to be, something that's safe. Don't listen to a music when you are riding a bicycle as an exercise, because it could be dangerous. Okay, stay safe. Okay, so the thing here is that I'm going to listen to this music, this fun music, every single time I study. The thing that's going to happen here is that, actually the thing that happened here is that I kind of associate studying as something fun. Because whenever I study, I also listen to the same music that I identify as something fun. But it's not that like I think like, you know what, I'm currently grinding in video game. No, I'm going to be thinking, yeah, this music is something that I listen whenever I grind on my video game. Now I also listen it to my studying. Well, you know what? I'm actually grinding in real life. I'm actually leveling up my character in real life. I'm actually making some progress in real life, just like how I level up my characters in video game, and it feels fun. Okay? Basically, when we just integrate fun elements, okay, on whenever we do our productive things, the probability of us actually sticking to that thing is going to be higher, precisely because we are going to be thinking that it's something fun. It's something that feels fun. Okay? That's the first example on how you can actually integrate this principle into your consistency building journey. And then the second principle is to basically just make the thing that you wanted to be doing, make the fun entertainment that you wanted to be doing only exclusively obtain right after you manage to do your routine. So for example, you wanted to be consistent at exercising, and at the same time, you are a big anime fan. Like me, just like me. I'm a pretty big anime fan, or maybe like you are a pretty big gaming fan. You really love to play some video games. So the thing that you are going to be doing here is that you are going to be creating a rule where you can only play some video games, you can only watch some anime right after you manage to do your exercise or maybe do your study. Okay. So for example, every 30 minutes that you study, you are going to be allowed to play 30 minutes of video games. Every 30 minutes that you exercise, you are going to be allowed to watch 30 minutes of anime. So when we just frame things this way, our brain is going to be thinking like, you know what? More studying means more fun. More exercising means more fun. Okay? Well, you need to exercise on a healthy basis. Don't just, like straight up exercise for 5 hours every single day suddenly just because you want to play some video games or watch some anime. No. Okay, I mean like just keep it up on a healthy basis, okay? And why it's gonna be effective, when we just frame things this way, is that precisely because actually the entire entertainment part is going to feel even way more enjoyable because it's going to feel like it's something that we actually work hard for. Okay. Oh yeah, I actually deserve to enjoy some relaxation, to relax a bit because I've worked so hard, I've studied so hard, I've exercised, I've done the thing that I said that I'm gonna be doing, the thing that I know I should be doing, and now I deserve some entertainment. Okay, it's gonna feel like it's a reward for your hard work, and it's going to relatively feel better actually. And here's the thing. Actually, comparatively, when there's no such mechanism like this, consuming some entertainment might actually make us feel guilty for binging entertainment for hours and hours mindlessly and neglecting our routine, right? So actually, it's a win-win solution. We actually do our routine and also we get the entertainment and it's going to relatively feel better at the end of the day. And actually, it might feel pretty hard to stick to this kind of rule in the beginning, so you might just ask the help for your friend to keep you accountable to stick to this role on a day-to-day basis. So that's how you actually be consistent at doing something by making the habit fun. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. You can join our Discord, and if you want to, you know, you can leave a comment, and I really appreciate you guys for watching this video. For today's date, authenticity post, today's May 6th, 2025, and Mimsar posted a horse walks into a bar post last 24 hours, GMT plus 7, but this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days later because I need to edit it first. Thank you.